Most people believe they're doing the right things with their money. They work hard, pay their bills, and maybe save a little every month. But what if I told you? Some habits that seem completely normal are actually the reason many people stay poor their entire lives. Let's start with the first habit, living only for today. Many people spend money as soon as they get it. A new phone, new clothes, eating out every week. It feels good in the moment. But over time, these small expenses quietly destroy your ability to build wealth. Second habit, ignoring investing. A lot of people think investing is only for the rich, but the truth is the opposite. The earlier you start investing, even with small amounts, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Third habit, buying liabilities instead of assets. A liability takes money out of your pocket. An asset puts money into your pocket. But most people fill their lives with liabilities, expensive cars, gadgets, subscriptions, things that constantly drain their money. Fourth habit, fearing financial risk. Successful investors understand that risk is part of growth. They educate themselves, start small, and learn from mistakes. But people who avoid all risk often miss the biggest opportunities. Fifth habit, depending only on one source of income. If your job disappears tomorrow, what happens next? The wealthy often build multiple streams of income, investments, businesses, online projects, royalties. Sixth habit, not learning about money. Many people spend years studying in school but never learn how money actually works. Financial education is one of the most powerful tools you can have. And finally, the seventh habit, waiting for the perfect moment. Some people say they will start investing later, start a business later, start saving later. But later often becomes never. The truth is simple. Wealth isn't created overnight. It's built through small decisions repeated consistently over time. So ask yourself this question. Which of these habits are holding you back? If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what your financial goal is for this year. Let's build wealth together.